Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the ongoing crisis in Gaza, where recent Israeli airstrikes have escalated to deadly levels. Yesterday, on May 15, 2025, Israeli airstrikes claimed the lives of at least 85 Palestinians, including many women and children, in Khan Yunus, in southern Gaza. Tragically, among the dead is journalist Hassan Sumur, who was killed along with 11 family members when their home was hit. This surge in violence coincides with President Trump's visit to the Gulf states, where he's been meeting with leaders in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and the UAE. Many had hoped his visit would push for a truce, but the situation on the ground has only worsened. On May 14th, the day before Trump's visit, another 80 people were killed in similar airstrikes. Over the past 2 days, the Israeli military has targeted 130 sites in Gaza, claiming these are used by militant groups. But the human toll is devastating. In Jabalia, an airstrike on the Al-Taba medical clinic resulted in at least 15 deaths, highlighting the dire humanitarian crisis in Gaza. Gaza has been on the brink of famine, with no humanitarian aid delivered since March 2nd of this year. Over 500,000 people face starvation, and the situation is getting worse by the day. Adding to the tension, Palestinians commemorated Nakbah Day on May 15th, remembering the 1948 catastrophe when hundreds of thousands were forced to flee their homes. One Palestinian, Ahmed Hamad, described the current violence as worse than the Nakbah, saying, "We live in a constant state of violence and displacement. Wherever we go, we face attacks. Death surrounds us everywhere." The conflict roots back to a Hamas-led attack on southern Israel in October 2023, where about 1,200 Israelis were killed, and 251 were taken hostage. Since then, Israel has launched a relentless campaign against Gaza, resulting in over 52,900 Palestinian deaths. Gaza's only cancer treatment facility is out of service, and the region is in critical need of international aid. Meanwhile, Hamas has stated they're ready to release remaining hostages if Israel ends the war. However, Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu insists on continuing the offensive until Hamas is eradicated, preferring only interim truces. The United States, along with Arab mediators, are pushing for a ceasefire, but progress has been slow. As we navigate these turbulent times, it's crucial to stay informed and support humanitarian efforts. You can help by spreading awareness, donating to reliable aid organizations, and advocating for peace. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Let's continue to hope and work for a more peaceful future.